Welcome to Slide Egg. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning 3D rotation effect using the Morph transition in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and inserting the images you want to use. Once that's done, go to the crop option and set the height and width to 3 inches. Then, center all the images on the slide. Now, arrange the images in a straight line, one after the other. Once they're aligned, select all of them and adjust their centers. Next, right-click on one of the images and choose the Format options. From there, go to the 3D Rotation section and select Axis to Top. After that, click on the 3D Format option, choose the top bevel, and select the rounded option for a smooth look. Now, go back to the 3D Rotation section and tweak the Y rotation to get the effect you want. Once you're happy with the setup, duplicate the slide and adjust the images into the correct position. Go to the View tab and turn on the guides. Use them to fine-tune the position of your images. After that, head back to the 3D Rotation section, click on the Preset option, and choose None. Duplicate the first slide once more and repeat this process for the other images. Make sure all the images are perfectly aligned, and when you're done, go to the View tab and uncheck the box to remove the guides. Next, select a text box and add your text. Head to the Animations tab, select the Fade animation, and choose With Previous so it plays automatically. Copy the text box and paste it on all the slides, changing the titles as you go. Once you've done that, select all the slides, go to the Transitions tab, and apply the Morph transition to each slide. Finally, click on the Preview button, and you'll be able to see your 3D picture effect in action. And that's it. You've created a 3D rotation effect using the Morph transition. It's really easy to do, and the result looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials from Slide Egg. See you in the next video.